Now presenting to His Majesty by the Queen of the Sea, a magnificent specimen, a portrait of the great Captain Cleo, done by her skill with excellence. The great...
Blabbers!
That's rude.
Well, it is far better than your previous works of art. But it looks like I am furry and cute.
Isn't it great?
I will give it a 3 out of 10, just because it has an eye patch. Let's get started on Devotion 49. Nighttime had fallen in Shiloh, where the tabernacle of God was. The sons of Eli were unaccounted for in this text, most likely out engaging in their habitual wickedness. Eli, the high priest, though, and young Samuel were inside the tabernacle compound. And it is inside the tabernacle that we find another subtle indication of the spiritual decay in the land. 1 Samuel 3:2. And it came to pass at that time, when Eli was laid down in his place, and his eyes began to wax dim, that he could not see. And ere the lamp of God went out in the temple of the Lord, where the ark of God was, and Samuel was laid down to sleep. The text mentions what is about to took place before the lamp of God went out in the tabernacle of the Lord, where the ark of God was. The problem with that is that the lamp was never supposed to go out to begin with. Exodus 27:20. And thou shalt command the children of Israel that they bring thee pure olive oil beaten for the light, to cause the lamp to burn always. Always. The lamp was to burn always. But this required a great deal of work preparing the oil and tending to the lamp. So somewhere along the line, Eli and his family decided that only keeping the lamp burning part-time would save them some effort. After all, only a tiny handful of people were ever allowed inside to see. Little wonder that we see them cutting corners on every other matter of righteousness as well. Do remember that the little things in our lives, often unseen by others, are good indicators of our spiritual condition. If we are not doing right on things unseen, we are probably not doing right on much at all.
Great lesson, Captain Patch-Eye Fox. Also, I quit. You can do your own cell art tomorrow.
Is that so? Well, tomorrow, you're gonna see a real artist in action. Have a blessed day, folks.